Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are looking at how to create Facebook ads for your Facebook business page and to grow your business and start marketing. So click on the left, see more to look at, go to Ad Center, and then you'll come here to ads. So if you don't have a business page or a page already, it will tell you to make one. So just fill that out and make it. Alright, it says create ad. So let's click on create. Then you could do automated ads, so it's like personalize and also adjust, so it markets to people that will buy more. I'll just make a new ad and add. We can add a description. We could select media, so you could put like a video of your product or a picture. So I'll just put this. After that, you can look at Advantage plus Creative. So and you could do special ad categories. So this is an ad if you're making an ad about credit, employment, housing, or social issues or politics. Well, I'm not doing that, so I'm not clicking that. Messaging apps. Choose where people can message you. So I already have Messenger connector, but you can also connect your WhatsApp and Instagram if you choose, or if you use one more than the other. Or you can just add all of them. Audience, who should see your ad? So people you choose through targeting. So I'll click on the little pencil button to change it. So I'll prefer my audience to be a bit younger, because computer parts, younger people know a little bit more usually. Location. Let's say the location doesn't really matter. So let's say that. I'll do men. And click on save audience. Duration, you can choose how long the ads run for. Then you can set your daily budget, so pay $5 a day to reach around, what does it say, around 300 to almost 1,000 people. This like daily, so you could reach almost 1,000 people daily. If you up the budget, you can reach more people. But Facebook ads have gotten a bit more expensive in recent years, so make sure you set up your ads good. It's high quality, so people will be more likely to click on them, and choose your audience as well. And no pixel, metal pixel to measure results. Then this is like a extension from what I'm seeing. Just click on promote. Then you have to add a payment information, but that's how you start running ads on Facebook. And don't take rid of this. Choose image. This picture's not showing up, so I'll just choose a different one. Just upload a picture from screenshots. So I'll just choose something like this. And then select it. And then you can click on all previews to see your ads on computer, mobile, and all sorts of other stuff. And then just click promote and start paying, and that's how you create ads.